we have been hit with a heavy rain in our state, where different infrastructure has been damaged, and we have lost a few lives. So I have the report with me, which has been collected. So since 29, so I have this report till date. It's really sad to say that we couldn't do anything for them, but we have tried our best, especially from the department, to send the support, especially to the family member of those who lost their life. So the fund has been, as an ex gratia, have been received, some of them, and all the fund has been released to the, especially all five, six of them they have, I mean five of them have received, and one is still with the BDO. So that I believe within, maybe they have received it today, or maybe if not, maybe by tomorrow. So this is the status of this. As of now, we don't have any list of missing.
How much is
How
the
much
ex-gratia?
ex-gratia amount?
4 lakh each set, but if there is any, because we have alert all the DC, and we have give them that the power also, they are the authorities to do the fund, where we give them as an advance fund. They can utilize it at the time of need, especially in this monsoon. This amount has been given them from time to time, where they can use it whenever it's needed. Actually, if you look, when it comes to rain, we can take in two ways. One is negative, or one is positive. If we take it positively, rain is a blessing for us, because through rain we can harvest. I mean, we can do a lot of plantation, we can do everything, because Indian, they used to say this, water is life. So that is a blessing for us, having the highest rainfall. But in the other way, negatively, where we have seen the impact, this is something where we have to tackle, and we have seen we lost some life, precious life within our state. So the only thing I can say is that now it's up to us. No doubt the government and department and the line department, they will try to do the needful to protect life. But the most important thing is that our people needs to come and then try to work together, so that where maybe we can save the life of the precious life, that we should not lose any life. That is most important. And from the department, we ensure and we will try our best to make sure that no life lost. But if it happens when it is out of our control, so that we cannot help, but still we would like to see that supporting hand from the public is extended, so that we can tackle all this situation.